Hello everyone, welcome to our English listening practice. Today we will talk about learning English. Learning English can be difficult. Sometimes the words are hard to remember. Pronunciation can be tricky too. For example, the word thought sounds different from though. This can confuse many beginners. But don't worry, there are many easy ways to learn. First, you can listen to music in English. This is fun. You can sing along and learn new words. Second, watching cartoons or movies in English helps a lot. The stories are interesting and you can see the pictures. This makes it easier to understand. Another good idea is to practice with friends. You can find friends from other countries online. There are many websites for language exchange. You can talk to them in English and learn about their culture. It is exciting to make new friends. You can ask them questions and share your experiences. This is a great way to practice speaking. Also, remember to be patient. Learning a new language takes time. Celebrate your small successes. For example, if you learn 5 new words, say "great job" to yourself. This makes learning fun. Finally, try to use English every day. You can write a diary in English or label things in your house with English words. This helps you remember. So to summarize, learning English can be hard, but it can also be easy and fun. Listen to music, watch cartoons, and make new friends. You will improve your English step by step. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, and good luck with your English learning. A2 speaking title: Learning English for Beginners. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English listening practice. Today we will discuss the challenges and joys of learning English. Learning English can be difficult for many beginners. Sometimes the grammar rules are confusing. For example, the present simple tense is easy, but the past tense can be tricky. You might forget to add ed to some verbs. This can make speaking and writing hard. However, there are many easy ways to make learning English fun. One great method is to listen to podcasts or watch videos. There are many channels that teach English in a simple way. You can learn new words and phrases while enjoying interesting stories. Another fun way to practice English is through games. There are many language games online that you can play alone or with friends. These games help you learn vocabulary and improve your skills without feeling stressed. Making friends from other countries is also a fantastic way to practice English. You can use social media or language exchange websites to find people who want to learn your language. You can chat with them in English and help each other. This is a great opportunity to learn about different cultures too. Don't forget that practice is very important. Try to speak English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. You can talk to yourself, describe your day, or read out loud. This will help you become more comfortable with the language. Remember to be patient with yourself. Learning a new language takes time, and it's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of the learning process. Celebrate your progress no matter how small it is. In summary, learning English has its challenges, but it can also be fun and exciting. Use podcasts, play games, and make friends to practice. With time and practice, you will improve your English skills. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing and enjoy your English learning journey. Follow me!